Has your company been looking for a single access point to data-driven cannabis business intelligence? If so, your search ends here. By signing up for Equio, you can begin benefiting from New Frontier Data's years of industry experience in just a matter of minutes. Here's how to get started. First, visit newfrontierdata.com and select Equio from the Products and Services list in the main navigation menu. This page is where you'll be able to sign up for your subscription. It is also where you can go to learn more about the type of data in Equio, how existing subscribers use Equio, and the features included with an Equio subscription, such as source data in the data marketplace, access to our library of analyst reports and charts, a business intelligence dashboard comprised of interactive data widgets, and full Cannabyte access. Click Compare All Plans on the Equio Features page to review the pricing and features included at each subscription level. Once you've determined which subscription level is best for you, click Subscribe Now, or click Start Free Trial if you would like to sign up for Equio Basic. Once the product is added to your cart, you'll be able to configure your preferred billing option. Then click Sign Up Now. From here, you'll be directed to the checkout page, where you will need to enter all required fields, as well as your payment information. Payment information is required even for a free trial period to ensure that you have uninterrupted access to your Equio subscription when the auto-renewal occurs. You will also need to read and agree to the terms of use. Then you'll be able to click Sign Up Now. In just a matter of minutes, you could begin benefiting from all of the features included with an Equio subscription. And we, here at New Frontier Data, look forward to helping you meet your cannabis business intelligence needs. And on behalf of the entire team, thank you.